probability distribution. Probability probability distribution. Probability distribution is a function of random variable. Probability distribution is a function of random variable. It explains about the random variable. It explains about the random variable. Generally, random variable are two types, that is discrete random variable and continuous random variable. The numerical value of random variable is different. RV भन्ने बित्तिकै यसलाई स्मल आरभी ले डिनोट गर्छ. स्मल आरभी भन्ने बित्तिकै एउटा भन्दा बढी मानहरू हुन्छन् जस्तै x ले परिवारको सदस्य संख्या जनाउँदा अवस्था व्यक्ति अनुसार x को न्यूमेरिकल भ्यालु न्यूमेरिकल भ्यालु फरक हुन सक्दछ. फरक हुन्छ. अब यहाँ आरभी को एउटा भन्दा धेरै मानहरूले आरभी को एउटा भन्दा धेरै मानहरूले कति प्रोबेबिलिटी पायो. कति प्रोबेबिलिटी पायो भनेर तालिका ग्राफ वा फंक्शन वा चित्रमा देखाउन सक्ने अवस्था नै probability distribution distribution हो. probability distribution हो. जस्तै if we toss a pair of coin, and x is equal to number of head of 10, x is equal to number of head of 10, then the probability of then the probability of x is given in the table below. Sample space S is equal to sample space S is equal to table below sample space S, that is head, tail, head, tail, head, head. Here X refers to the number of head, so X is equal to X. Here number of head is 0, number of head is 1, number of head is 2. Now probability of X is equal to X, that is number of head is 1 upon 2, that is 2 upon 4, that becomes 1 upon 2. Probability of head and tail, that is 1 upon 4. Now types of probability distribution: discrete probability distribution and continuous probability distribution. Types of probability distribution: types of probability distribution, types of probability distribution, types of probability distribution, types of probability distribution. One is discrete probability distribution. Remember, that is discrete probability distribution. Yes, CRIT, discrete probability distribution. Discrete probability distribution. Number 2, continuous probability distribution. TINUS, continuous probability, BABILIT probability distribution. Continuous probability distribution. One number, here we explain discrete probability. Discrete probability distribution. Discrete probability distribution. Discrete probability distribution. Let X be a random variable, then the probability distribution of X is denoted by Fx. Let X be a random discrete random variable, then probability of X is denoted by is, is denoted by fx is denoted by fx and defined by fx is equal to probability of x is equal to x, where probability of x is greater than or is equal to 0 and summation of x total sum of probability of x is equal to 1. Total sum of probability of x is equal to 1. For example, for example, if we toss a pair of coins, if we toss a pair of coins and x is equal to number of head of 10, x is equal to number of head of 10, then the probability of x is given by in the table and histogram. S is equal to टेबलमा पनि हिस्टोग्राममा पनि देखाउन सकिनुभयो। यस भने स्याम्पल स्पेस दुईटै हेड हुन सक्छ, दुईटै हेड र टेल हुन सक्छ, टेल र हेड हुन सक्छ, दुईटै हेड हुन सक्छ। नम्बर अफ हेडलाई x ले डिनोट गर्ने हो भने यहाँ हेड 0 वटा छ, यो कोलममा हेड एउटा छ र यो कोलममा हेड 2 वटा छ। अब प्रोबेबिलिटी निकाल्ने हो भने निकाल्न सक्ने हो भने यहाँ प्रोबेबिलिटी अफ x को प्रोबेबिलिटी भनेको यसमा 1/4, यसमा 1/2, यसमा 1/4 हुने भयो। हिस्टोग्राममा देखाउँदा यो 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4 र 0.5। फर्स्टमा हेड पर्ने 0, फर्स्टमा हेड पर्ने 0, त्यो भनेको 0.2 तिर, सेकेन्डमा हेड पर्ने 1, one को प्रोबेबिलिटी कति छ? यो 1/4 भने 0.25 हो। त्यसो हुँदाखेरि 0 को प्रोबेबिलिटी यति आयो। सेकेन्डमा हेड पर्ने 1/2 छ, 1/2 भने 0.5 तिर बनाउनु पर्यो र थर्डमा हेड पर्ने यो 1 को भयो। थर्डमा हेड पर्ने भने 2 छ, 2 को 1/4 त्यो पनि 0.25 तिर जाने भयो। 0.25 तिर यो x यो ल। अब x is equal to x continuous probability distribution, next one is continuous probability distribution. Continuous probability distribution. Continuous probability, C-O-N-T-I-N-U-S, continuous probability distribution. Continuous probability distribution. Let X be a random variable. Let X be a random variable. Let X be a random variable. X be a random variable. Then probability distribution. Probability distribution of X is denoted by Fx and defined by Fx is equal to probability of A is less than or equal to X. X is less than or is equal to B, where probability of X is greater than or is equal to 0. Number B number integration of minus infinity to positive infinity Fx dx is equal to 1. डिस्क्रिटमा सम अफ प्रोबेबिलिटी चाहिँ 1 हुन्थ्यो. इंटीग्रेशन अफ प्रोबेबिलिटी माइनस इन्फिनिटी टु इन्फिनिटी इज 1 हुन्छ कन्टिन्युसमा. कन्टिन्युस डिस्ट्रिब्युसन भने पनि, कन्टिन्युस फंक्शन भने पनि, कन्टिन्युस डेन्सिटी भने पनि एउटै कुरा हो. फर एक्जाम्पल if x is a continuous random variable. If X is a continuous random variable with probability continuous random variable with probability function Fx is equal to 2 upon 3 x plus 1. 2 upon 3 x plus 1 for 0 is less than x is less than 1, then the probability at 0 is less than x is less than 1 upon 2 is 5 upon 12. It can be shown by a graph. अब ग्राफमा देखाउँदा यस्तो भन्ने भयो. यो 0 थियो, 0.5 1 2 अनि 2.5 3 अनि भयो. अब 0 राख्दा 2 upon 3 हुन्छ. 2 upon 3 भनेको 0.8 तिर आउँछ होला. 0 राख्दा 2 upon 8 तिर 0 राख्दा 0.8 तिर आउँछ. 8 तिर अनि 0 राख्दा 1 upon 2 राख्दा 1/2 राख्दा 1/2 + 1 गर्दाखेरि 3/2 हुन्छ। 3/2 कट गर्दाखेरि 1 हुन्छ। 1 सम्म जानु पर्यो। 1 सम्म जानु पर्यो यहाँ 1 सम्म। अनि त्यसपछि यो अब अर्को कति राखौँ 2 राखौँ। 2 राख्दा 0 देखि 2 सम्म छ। 2 राख्दाखेरि 2 + 1 3 3 गयो 2 सम्म जाँदो रहेछ। 2 सम्म अब यसो ग्राफ भयो। इंटीग्रेशन 0 1/2 fx dx is equal to 5/12. 5/12. यो fx is equal to 2/3 bracket x plus 1. 2/3 bracket x plus 1. Suppose that a coin is tossed 3 times. The random variable x is denoted. The number of head occurs in 3 tosses.